welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today sharing this monochromatic makeup look using just one product. If you're interested, then continue watching. Firstly, I'm going to be using this Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon lipstick. This is in the shade 11 Ellie Woods. I'm using this particular lipstick to complete rest of my makeup, as in I'll be using it in many different ways. So the number one way to use lipstick as a contour. So I'm going to be contouring my face with the lipstick. I'm making sure I apply very little product at a time. So once you apply and blend, you will get to know how much depth you want and how much warmth you want. So I'm just applying it, making sure I blend it upwards, and then I'm slowly building the color. Also, a very big shout out to Foxy Famous for collaborating with me for this video to show you guys how to use one product for many different applications. So yes, second way is to use as a blush. I'm making sure I blend it with my fingers first, and then I use the beauty blender so that it looks seamless. And then I'm going to be doing same thing on the other side of my face as well. So once I like the way my cheeks looks, I'll move on with the temples and jawline. So I'm applying a very little product first and making sure I blend it. This step makes much difference, and you can see it gives so much definition to your face. And you need to blend the product very quickly as well. If you're using liquid lipstick especially, make sure you work in sections. So once we have blended on the jawline and temples, let's move on for the way number 3, that is to use as an eyeshadow. So first applying it, blending, and then slowly building the color. That's it. It's very simple, super easy, especially if you are using crayon lipsticks like this. Makes the job much easier in blending effortlessly and seamlessly. At the same time, it's non-creasy as it is matte. So I'm slowly building the eyeshadow using this brush to make sure there are no harsh edges. And once I'm happy with the way my eyeshadow is looking, I'll stop right there. I'm not applying it on my lower lashes. You can definitely go ahead and apply. Personally, I like applying it only on the upper eyelids. It gives that fresh feeling. So yes, once I'm done with my eyeshadow, I did ever so slightly contoured my nose, and I'm gonna be using some compact to clean up the edges. And whatever is left on the puff, I'm dabbing it for the rest of my face to make it look more seamless, and it also helps in locking the product so that it will not budge throughout. Okay, then to finish off my look, using the lipstick on my lips itself and making sure it's blended nicely. With that, I finished this monochromatic makeup look using one product in many different ways kind of makeup look. I really hope this video was helpful, and this is how my overall makeup look looks like after applying mascara. So yes, with that being said, I'll finish this video. Thank you all so much for watching.